Have you ever had a dress fall on your lap? I mean, not literally, but the other day I was going for a meet and my friend was like, hey, I'm selling this dress, it's mint, do you want it? And I looked at it and I said, yeah, I want it. And I bought it. And also bought another dress on Lace Market, so let's unbox them today, yay! My name is Joelle and you're watching Fluffy Kawaii, the channel where I try to show you that everybody can be kawaii. So, I bought two dresses from Angelic Pretty, I have a pair of wrist cuffs, and I have a bunch of tiny things that I want to show that I bought to you and unbox with you. Just let's do that before. Let's keep the dresses for last. Okay, you may remember in one of my videos I showed you that I bought those ribbons to tie here and just make one tiny discreet necklace. And I saw that in a movie that's called, it's a series called The Paradise, and the girl had that. And so I bought a bunch in regular stores, but I also bought more colors on AliExpress. So just going to show you that way. So I have a bright green for when I do ingress. This was white, like this white, it's all in velvet. I have pink. Yay, I think I need a mint, and I have here, I have shiny ones, shiny light green that is actually not really mint, and shiny white, nice ones, and shiny black and shiny gold. But I don't think that will, this will be way too long for a necklace, so I can craft with that. Yay, and something else, a friend of mine got me that clip. I don't know where she bought it, but I think maybe it was even her sister. I think it was Galia's sister that thought, oh, that's perfect for Joelle. It's shiny and it's pink and it has a little bit of green, so that's amazing. Thank you so much. I wanted to show you that. And a while back when I did the photo shoot for Fluffy Story, we used one of my hats for the coat, and it was a white fluffy bear hat that I thought would be so cute to pimp, like to decorate with a full-on decora. And it used to be popular at the time, and right now you cannot buy the plain ones anymore. And so I had bought other super cute hats to maybe decorate. We'll see. Haha, that's cute. Oh. So I don't know if you put that in the front. That is so cute. So I think those I can definitely put some more stuff on, make it super TT kawaii and sell it. And the other one, you might recognize it because it's quite trendy, or maybe the trend is already over and I'm a loser. Let's see. Supposed to move when you, yay, it does work. That's so cute. Okay, I put it totally wrong, but okay, it's just a pump. That's funny. I thought it was electrical or anything. It's just pump, like air. So cute. Okay, I think I can also make this one super cute and sell on my booth. So probably for the winter conventions, but this was on the wait list to be videographed, to be filmed by me. And right now we can go straight to the cool stuff. Okay, let's start with the wrist cuffs. It's actually coming from Paulina, Cupcake Kami-sama. She was selling those on Facebook. Maybe she just listed them, and like 1 minute later I was like, I want this. It's Angelic Pretty wrist cuffs that are actually chocolate colored, yay! Ooh, and she added chocolate. Okay, the cards. I hope that these will match your wardrobe and get plenty of wear, Paulina. I threw some polished chocolate. Finger crossed that didn't break out there a little bit. Maybe this is what she meant. Okay, and it's super cute little card. Thank you so much, Paulina, and I can try the polished chocolate. So no, I guess that's what she meant. They did not break out of the little bag. Ooh, but it's so sweaty. Ooh, maybe they did go through. I don't know. The bag is sticky now. I will probably have to wash my hands before I touch the dress. and I will taste them later, but I don't want to touch Angelic Pretty brand with the sticky hands, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And well, actually those are super cute and they are not damaged by the chocolate, so that's perfect. Oh, it's in velvet with a velvet ribbon. It's not the exact same tone, and also something else that's bothering me is that I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. It's kind of weird, AP. Okay, Angelic Pretty. You can see the white elastic here. It's very ugly, and on the back, actually this is the back, it's very pretty, and you have a backing and you don't see the white elastic, but on the front when you're wearing this normally you see the white elastic. I think that's really weird and sad, but they're gorgeous. I really needed nice chocolate colored wrist cuffs, so that's perfect. Thank you so much, Paulina, yay. Okay, so now 2 dresses. Let's do this one because this one I've seen it and it's here in person, and the package will be the surprise for later. Okay, this is Rose Museum from Angelic Pretty, and it's gorgeous. It's way more classical than my usual mint and pink wardrobe, but this is really nice dress. Really the kind of dress you want for a tea party, so I think maybe this weekend I can use it, or definitely perfect for the next Angelic Pretty tea party, we'll see. And it's fully shirt, and it's a special set, and it came with a clip. It's just the kind of clip that I don't really like because it doesn't really stick on my head that much. I mean, with a wig it should. I don't know, I really like the other ones better. I don't know, it's not bad. It's just that you have to wear it here. You cannot like pin it on your dress or something. So, I don't know. But it's pretty. It has the Angelic Pretty label here. Tons of roses and a lot of pearls here. They have some kind of frames. Oh my god, I'm going to have almost the same kind of frames in my studio. So this is gold Baroque frames with Angelic Pretty, and there's a crown. There's also a cross. Always Angelic Pretty. They put some crosses somewhere. Oh, there are pearls here, like just designed. And this is a very simple lace, but I think it's a special set. So usually they do smaller lace and 1 pocket and 2 pockets. Yay, 2 pockets, and full shirt and waist ties with the small roses, buttons here also, and you can also, yeah, detachable sleeves, and this big bow here is sewn on. Yeah, awesome. And also this one is sewn on, so I think this shape is going to be very flattering on my body, this cut. And my friend is really petite and smaller than me and thinner than me, and she said it doesn't work on me because I don't have boobs. That's perfect for me. It's like a less vivid mint, but I think it will be very pretty and very elegant, and gold, I can do definitely beautiful things with that. So she was not selling it for too expensive price compared to the regular price, and I was considering getting that dress, and so I just got it. The dress fits perfectly. It's super comfortable, of course, because of the full shearing, and I have nothing else to say. It's perfect. It has 2 pockets, and I fit in perfectly. And usually I think I did not like this clip head bows, but I managed to make it stick quite okay on my wig. Maybe if I move, it's not super sturdy, but I think it works. So thumbs up for this dress from Angelic Pretty. I'm so happy about it. Thank you, Anki, for selling it to me. Let's open this. This is a big purchase. I don't remember how much I paid. Probably something around 300. And I bought this on Lace Market. Okay, this girl knows how to talk to me. That's a bag from Access Farm. I love that brand. And actually, Oh my god, the bag would fit with this dress so much. This is crazy. Okay, this is amazing. I love this bag. Okay, this is chocolate rosette in mint, of course. I think it's also a special set. Yeah, exactly the same kind of boat as here. Oh my god, I love it. Also the same kind of tone of mint as this one. And chocolate would look perfect with my new whiskers. This one, I was really admiring the print, and a lot of dresses end up having a mint colorway, so I end up getting the mint colorway. So this one I really like because it's, I don't know if it's cotton or polyester, but it's a really thick fabric, really gorgeous. Yeah, I did not mention this fabric here. You can see it's kind of a super light chiffon, but it has some shiny dots. I don't know if you can see that. It makes a very, very pretty fabric. Super soft and super elegant. And this one, totally opposite kind of fabric, but also it looks expensive, it looks nice. I was expecting it to be thicker and warmer or heavier, but actually it's kind of thin, even though it has this texture. So probably it's still a dress for winter, but definitely not for summer right now here. But I think I will be able to wear it not only in winter. Oh my god, I love it. And also again, full shirt in the back, so I think I'm good. Waist ties, detachable, like always. Do we have pockets? I see one pocket. Do we have another pocket? Usually when it's fully shirt, there's no reason not to put two pockets. There are two pockets. Okay, I have two dresses with two pockets. Amazing. And okay, they have this thing here in the front. I was not very sure about that. For me, it looks a little bit like circus-y themed. And I don't really mind. It's nice, and the buttons are nice. It's actually plastic. They look like metal, but they are plastic ones with a crest on it. It's very pretty. Also detachable. Oh, that's funny. Here they have the smaller version of the gold crest, and here they choose to have the button inside, and that is transparent. Whereas on this one, it's outside and it's pretty. But I don't like this one. The button is actually on the dress, I mean on the strap, and then the thing to put the button on is on the dress. And here you have the hole on the strap, and the button is on the dress. Okay, I hope you got it. And so you have already 3 different holes, so you can lower your top if you're super tall or bigger breast. You can make it go lower or higher depending on your shape, so I think that's perfect. And again, fully lined, and it's really, really pretty. And I do have 2 additional buttons here. And also the lace here, it's the crown lace, and actually both of those laces don't have AP in it. That's interesting. Maybe it's also, again, because it's a special set, they do have, I mean, if you do that lace, that kind of crown design lace, I don't see why it would be cheaper to not write AP, because it's more complicated design. If you go with the lace like this one, this is clearly cheaper because it's less work, like less details, so less fabric, less time and everything. So I understand this is cheaper. This one I don't understand why they did not put AP in it. That's weird. Anyways, okay, what do we have? So rosettes, something that I love. So probably I will be able to make rosettes like that. Probably they are selling accessories like that, but I would love to make rosettes to go with these. And chocolate cookies and chocolate pieces and the AP crest and bows out of chocolate. So I like it because it's sweet, because it's chocolate, but it's kind of also I don't know, a different, more mature design, I guess. And also the colors are kind of more toned down than what I usually do. And yeah, I'm actually super happy about both dresses. I checked the measurements, it should be okay. It's full of shirt, it should be fine. So as expected, this dress fits amazingly because it's also full back shirring, and it's very comfortable. It's a little bit heavier, so not perfect for a hot summer because you will be too hot because it's thick, but because the fabric is thick, it has a fall that is amazing. I really love how it falls, and the fabric is really gorgeous, a little bit like corduroy or something like that, and you definitely have a pattern in the fabric itself, and it's not just cheap polyester. So it's amazing. I love it. I'm so happy I got it. And please, AB, keep making special sets in mint because I want to buy them all. Okay, I was cleaning and something fell. This is also from AB. It has a tiny Angelic Pretty label here, and it's actually, I think it matches a dress, and it's actually a brooch with a unicorn and some flower crown thing. Yay! So I think you can put it anywhere, like a regular, like, you know, it's kind of a war medal of something, but it's cute because it's Angelic Pretty and Lolita. Yay! Thank you! I'm so happy. I did not even remember that this was together. Yay! I hope that you liked me unboxing 2 more dresses for my wardrobe. And what do you do when a thing falls on your lap? You have to accept it and buy them. I mean, this dress I found because I have a safe search on Lace Market, and so every day I receive an email to tell me if there are new dresses or new whatever with the terms that are listed. And so sometimes when it comes, it's too expensive or something like that, and this one, it's like, yeah, the price is good, the time is good, let's get it. And I have Let's Pass also Mercator Antique Shop in mint. I was like, yeah, usually I'm more into more flashy mint, and this one is a little bit more toned down mint. Should I get it? And then it was gone. And then really now this is one of my favorite prints, and this is my color. So next time it shows up, I will have to buy it. Okay, let me tell you about this coordinate. I mean, this tiny casual Lolita look that I put together in a second. This is Code Girl from Bellong. This is a Taobao brand, but I'm super into this print because it has code, pseudo-code programming language computer. I love it, and I'm also, this is what I studied in university, if you did not know. So I'm a geek girl, and I'm so happy that I could wear this dress. I bought it from a girl in San Francisco, and so I was able to go to the Computer Science Museum with this dress, and I was so happy. And this is actually from Amavel, this Kutso, and this is just from Claire's, and this wig is from Bodyline. Oh my god, this is only 3 pieces, 4 pieces. You know what? I just had some time before my live stream because I came early, and I thought, oh, I can film this video because maybe I will need these dresses for this weekend. And then I closed everything, and then I was like, okay, let's do this. And I did not have any accessories out, and I was too lazy to take it all out, and thankfully I had this here that was waiting to be filmed for a B-roll, and so I had it, and so this is why I'm kind of there. But also this is a perfect casual Lolita look, so it doesn't look too weird that I don't have any other accessories. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see all my Angelic Pretty dresses that I bought, I've put together a playlist for you. You just click here, and see you in the next video.